When the winds quieted and the rains subsided, what remained across Jamaica's western end was not just debris, but stories of strength, faith, and the will to begin again. This is Voices from the West after Hurricane Melissa.
My name is Harry Kelly. I'm from WatchJIS in Westmoreland. What they basically need right now, I would like the authorities to do now, right now, is the people, they need some tarpaulin, at the least, and they need food short. And there are a lot of elderly and sickly people that are there, including my mother. Because my parents' house, my house total, 3 brothers, the house is flat right now. We have to use some tarpaulin we have, and it's not even enough. Because them all up same way, bore up. So we just have to use it to make a makeshift. My mother have to, when the rain fall, they have to have a bucket just the same way. You know? Have to catch water. You know, and have to shelter with umbrella inside.
Harry's voice carries the pain of a loss familiar to many across Westmoreland. Homes flattened, lives interrupted, and hope tested. Yet, in the ruins, his faith remains firm.
We have to just put heart and hands together and just put God in front of everything. And just unite as one people. Put aside all malice and everything and just work together as one unit in order to come out of this. I'm going to be honest with you, I don't think the government alone can manage this. Based on the devastation, based on what I'm seeing, it's like none other.
Just a few miles away in Ferris, the devastation tells a similar story.
My name is Stacey and Twiddle, and we're in the community of Ferris in Westmoreland. And as you can see, Ferris is flat. We need help. All the roofs are gone. The only structures you are seeing are those that have concrete. We need water, we need food, we need tarpaulin.
For Stacey Ann, a teacher at Ferris Primary, the storm took away both home and work.
My house is gone. I also work in Ferris because I'm a teacher at the Ferris Primary School, and Ferris Primary School has been destroyed. So I don't have a house, I need a workplace. It's going to be hard, but everybody have to come together to help. Persons from other parishes who are okay going to have to come together and help their neighboring parish.
In the aftermath, neighbors lean on each other, strangers become family, and even amid despair, faith flickers.
My name is Tryon Smith Edwards. I'm from Little London. I work in Winchester, and the school that I work at, Loving Care Christian Academy, flat. I'm a mother also, a first-time mom, and my baby, she has the eczema bad, so she and the heat not going well, the mosquitoes, it's really hard, but I'm holding on. I have faith. I'm a Christian.
Through her pain, Troyan still speaks of gratitude and of rebuilding together.
With help from neighboring communities, from overseas, from wherever we can, anybody who is available or can make themselves available with helping hands, because the hands and heart go together, and we can accomplish much. That much I can say.
3 voices, 3 lives changed forever, yet their message is the same: unity, faith, and resilience.
We are traveling from St. Ann in Ochi, Gaius, Linford, Minding. You know, to the state of the place, we just tell ourselves that we are coming in, get helping and cut some tree, clean some road. You know, see, because if I had St. Ann, we'd want the same way.
After Hurricane Melissa, the West may be battered, but not broken. As Harry Kelly said,
despite what we are going through, we still keep a smile on our face. A lot of person. So trust me, we are going to bounce back because we are great. We're a great nation and great people.
To support the National Disaster Relief and Recovery effort, visit supportjamaica.gov.jm. This is Voices from the West after Hurricane Melissa.